In commemoration of Road Safety Month, the Office of the District Transport Officer Government of Meghalaya, in conjunction with the District Administration and the Meghalaya Police Department, hosted an awareness event on road safety on the 12th of February 2024 at the Police Reserve Shillong. Participants included drivers from various government departments represented by the Meghalaya Government Drivers Association and commercial taxi drivers affiliated with the Sunjuk Kinongnya Taksi Kamai Sor Bat Khapsor. Addressing the media, District Transport Officer R. Hing revealed that the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, will extend the observance of Road Safety Month throughout February 2024, deviating from previous year's week-long observance. Due to the short notice, a limited number of programs have been scheduled for Road Safety Month, including initiatives aimed at promoting safe driving among all drivers within East Khasils district, a dedicated program for students, and a health camp for district drivers. Stressing the importance of awareness, particularly among the youth, Hing emphasized that underage driving is illegal, with offenders facing severe penalties under traffic laws, including potential imprisonment. Parents of underage drivers will also face legal consequences, informed the district transport officer.
Kani jinsa gade berabor nagaliang ke Ministry of Road Transport and Highway ni cai pelong ya ke National Road Safety Week. Rinadum taus nem ke Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways telah decide ban pelong nado daga road safety National Road Safety Month nado taus nem sekeman. Taus nem namar ke jing kot ke por nimla suban organize pun gigi ringi pelong tangi kene ke special enforcement drive nang ta kene ke awareness program nang ta ke driver bat ya ke awareness program nang ta kena school bat ke help kam ru ni sele ke khasau gede kumju ke duk por ni pelong ya ke closing strip. Kene penting ikan tup langi barok driver bat kinong nya kali sarkar bat ki banyak kali kamai bat kumju ru driver banyak kali simat.
Kumangi i mentas ni long kandiat ngot ki driver ki barang ni
Namar kecing lekot ke por ngimla coba ke por pia ki ar group namta mentas ni bat la ru kadang don ni namta ki we bat ki group jong ki association hi jong taksi bat ki turis bat ki bos sedikit la jimu di gelong ban ngin long aware ki banyak kali ngin long kam namar kumbi menta ki bon ki accident kene gelong kumbi jim mau ki driver banyak kali di menong siar pan kian geno gijing accident kamtang ba accident ke gijing sia gebut bon gijing do gim sem bekordo kado kamtam ke kamai ke jir kumjo kta itu gilong yingi bangat itu gijing sia pesusi lembang ni program ngila ban pisngo tho pai ba kamtam ki driver banyak kali gidon long siar bad gi bedon license gi banyak kali gidi banyak don akor ba inde ban kinde ban bot rti gi rules and regulation jong ke traffic Kejing perusna kede kila ban pokat prasnen kejing kesejai ki gelong ban kila ban saset petok do ada kinya klem magor lagi gimdon license kat kum ke section 3 and 4 kila pun sistem iki driving without driving license
kimi ki pa kingan ya makta
itu kimi ki par ngalang ki under age ingat kimi ki par ngalang.
The president of the Meghalaya Government Drivers Association, Shervonal Imle, stressed the importance of safe and cautious driving during today's awareness program, highlighting the responsibility drivers hold for the lives they transport. He emphasized the need for drivers to recognize that reckless driving can result in tragic consequences, including loss of life. Additionally, Imle mentioned that the association has reached out to the state government to propose dedicated service rules for drivers across all government departments, aiming to enhance service quality and performance.
Abang di program ketika first time bagi invite ini di government driver participate bang dekat awareness program jadi rendah benchmark tidak tentang kalau experience ini tu nambah kayak bagi ni ni ayo abon ki message dari yang transport department menjuru haji telang bat ki district administration dan ka police department kalau abon ki bentai jika ini nambah kayak kita ka road safety bang kemudian apa kali asko je keren kalau bang tiap lakam ya kene je nyak kali kuma kamtam ko bagong mane ko kintin yong ba katong ko slogan ka bagong ba safe drive, safe life. Kani di betul kambah hangi ngap satu kata. Bahkan kubur ni di benra hiru ibun menyebat ini kemudian. Ti ngaman chan ni hendian sepangker komnya kali. Ngaman chan ni ka words drivers mah. Kani ka words drivers kapun thup retang ong tagi banyak government ni taksi ni. Ini banyak arsaka ni ka tu ya bro. Begitu betul private vehicle ru. Berjalan kili jong. Kitu pergi benta ki baham satu. Nama kabun pakai ke hash driving ta. Kim sutu ya kita ka words drivers kilong ki pelakam baklah. Beli ki pelong jilek ka ya kali. Yang kedoi ka. Pi saja pak susi. Saja ada susi ba kita ki imang salang ke pos ki apa. Kemang apa mention beneng yang ngan syok ngan sebatai fin dia. Ya kena full form yang driver. Ngau mena di disiplin. Di manbat dia kata. What do you respect? Are you the intelligent? Yang mana ngau mana ka V di vision. E ke vision. Last ke responsibility. Kini kita responsibility ke bakia lah. Kam tambali ni banyak ngikit di kimsim boko. Tak one wrong move ke jongane ke jongi bampa jongane gini banyak taksi babu ni tenggelam sejak jiap ngikit bosong kali. TKI ke bro kali kampung jongi kapangin setu ngai ibat kata belum ke jingi buram kali yang hidup ini follow up ngai budin bar ka police department iki punya iki traffic rule lemju iki rule regulation bora na transport department ngai ibat kata kalau belum ke bro banyak bah kalau ke jing bah ini bro iki emak salang kan kita ekonomi ke susi iki family ko bro. Tang tahay na kalian percaya.